You already know the power of the explainer video and you want an animation for your business, but maybe you still have some questions about how it all works. I'm Mina, and in this video, I'll try to answer the most common questions customers ask when they're looking to contract our video marketing services. If you want to see a detailed description of our entire video production process, please watch the video linked in the description. When picking the right video marketing company or animation studio for your business, it's important to know all the specifics. That's why we always like to prep our clients for what's to come, so they would know exactly what to expect. Here are a few things that you might be wondering about. We know usually the price is the last thing that people discuss, but let's address the elephant in the room and get right to it. As with all custom work, the price of your explainer video depends on various factors. To form a total cost, we take into account the style of the animation, the length of the video, the specific goals we set for it, and the channels through which it will be distributed. The price ranges between $2,000 to $6,000 for a 60 to 90 second explainer video and includes all services like script writing, voiceover, custom designs, animations, sound, and video marketing. We always create a custom price based on the needs of our customers. The prices are fixed and a quote will be created for you after we discuss all the details. Not all video projects are created equal. The complexity of the animation and the animation techniques, the video's length and purpose, as well as the feedback loop are different for each client and require different timeframes. In most cases, one 60 to 90 second explainer video can take between 4 to 8 weeks, depending on these and other factors. What if you need your video for an urgent marketing campaign or upcoming event? We always strive to be flexible with our clients, so whenever possible, we try to speed up the process for projects that can't be delayed. However, our ability to complete your explainer video sooner rather than later depends on multiple circumstances that need to be discussed with you beforehand. If you already have a script or want to create one on your own, that's great. We can offer a lot of resources to help you, and you can always rely on us for advice and proofreading. However, since the script is the foundation of your video, we recommend that you use the services of our professional copywriters. They'll create a custom script and visual direction to fit your brand and ultimate goal. Usually, the services of animation studio fall into two categories. One is fully managed. The studio handles the entire process from conception to execution. The other category relies on the customer's ideas and vision to produce the final product. We like to collaborate with our clients to create an animation that serves their unique brand, business goals, and target audience. No one knows your business better than you do, and we'll need your help to understand it. Based on this knowledge, we'll come up with the concepts for the video and execute them in collaboration with you and your team. Do you have any other questions about the process of creating your explainer video? Feel free to book a free consultation with me so we can talk more about what you need. Thank you and see you next time.